Hello everyone, myself Paridi Agarwal from class 8A, and today I am here to give presentation on the topic narration. So let's start. So basically in narration, the second name of narration is direct speech and indirect speech. So firstly, if we say what is the sentence? Ram said. In direct speech, we use commas and inverted commas. Ram said that the sun rises from
In the east.
in the so this is direct speech because in this we use commas and inverted commas. This so there are two things we have to notice in that this is the Ram is reported verb because
Is it
the
reported verb? Ram said is reporting verb.
reporting verb I mean, and this is the reporting speech.
Underline said also. Mm.
And there are after that we will see there are four kind of sentences, and those are assertive sentence, exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence, and imperative sentence.
What about negative sentence? You also have negative sentence. Okay.
Basically, we have four sentences. So in assertive sentences, we use that.
Where do we use that? You did not
After,
explain.
Like Ram said, the sun rises in the east. So we will say Ram said that.
When will we use? My question is
After the reporting verb, we will use that.
when?
In that.
Are we supposed to remove the commas or not?
Yes, we remove the commas.
Mm.
In assertive sentence, we will use that. Assertive sentence are the simple sentences like he is walking, he is dancing, and in exclamatory sentence we also used to use that, but it doesn't mean that assertive and exclamatory are same, because in exclamatory sentence we have given some like there are some surprise like wow, and some words are different, and we also use their exclamation mark. There is exclamation in mark.
So you can identify through
Exclamation
the
mark.
exclamatory mark. Okay.
And in interrogative sentence, the interrogative sentence are in which we used to ask some questions like, and basically the question started with WH word families, and some are started with helping verbs too. So we can identify the interrogative sentence, and in interrogative sentence we use we didn't use that. We use asked.
That is in the reporting verb. What do we use as a conjunction? When you remove the commas, do you write asked there? What is used? You have just confided in WH word. If the question begins with WH word, what do we use?
We use asked if.
If in WH word. If in WH word.
Asked.
No. For WH word, we use the same word, whereas the question beginning with helping verb, we use if for whether. Okay.
So, if the question begins with WH word, we will use the same word. Like if it starts with when, where, what.
The
we will
same
use
word
the
is
same
to be
word.
used,
But
yes.
if it starts with helping verb, we will use
If or whether.
If or
That's
whether.
your choice. Okay.
And the last one is imperative. So in imperative, we use if there is some request is given, like please give me this in the direct speech. So we will use please. We will say
There are three
we
kind of
requesting.
situations.
Yes,
Okay.
there are one is order, request,
Hmm.
and advice. order, we just say shut the door, or we can say bring a glass of water. And when it's request, we ask, can you please give me a pen? And in advice, we say come to school at 8 a.m. or we can say you should come fast. And if there is should, we can also say that if there is should, we can identify that it is imperative sentence and we will use advice. And we will use
And the
advice
reporting
at the
word.
place of